Now I can say I'm not afraid today.